It happens every single day in my clinic. A dog does something they shouldn't have. Maybe they chewed a favorite shoe or stole a piece of chicken from the kitchen counter. Their owner is standing there, completely ready to be angry, holding the ruined shoe, preparing to scold their mischievous pet. But then, the dog suddenly looks up. And just like that, the anger completely melts away. The owner sighs, smiles, and says, "It's okay, buddy." It works on me, too. Just 5 minutes ago, Haki here convinced me to give him an extra treat, even though he's on a strict diet. Look at those eyes. How could anyone say no? But as a veterinarian, I started to look past the cuteness. Because from a biological standpoint, what just happened isn't just cute. It is a highly sophisticated, incredibly successful evolutionary hack. A hack that targets the deepest, most ancient survival wiring in the human brain. But how did a wild wolf transform into a creature that can manipulate our emotions with a single glance? To understand this evolutionary heist, we first have to look at what actually happens when Haki makes that sad face. If you look closely, they raise their inner eyebrows. In the scientific community, this specific facial movement is known as AU101. When a dog triggers this, it does two things to the human brain simultaneously. First, it makes their eyes look much larger, mimicking the facial proportions of a human infant. Second, it mimics the facial expression humans make when they are sad. But here is the mystery. Dogs are the descendants of wolves. Wolves are fierce, independent, apex predators. Why would a predator ever need to look like a vulnerable human baby? If you look at a wolf, they almost never make this expression. So how did we get from a terrifying wolf stare to Haki's heart-melting gaze? We have to travel back over 20,000 years. Thousands of years ago, wolves started lingering around human camps. Some had a tiny, random muscle variation. When they approached looking for scraps, they raised their eyebrows. The wolves that could make puppy eyes got more food and survived the winters. Over millennia, humans actively bred the wildness out of dogs, but we also accidentally bred this emotional trigger into them. For a long time, this was just a beautiful theory. But recently, a groundbreaking study decided to put this evolutionary hypothesis to the test. Scientists wanted to look directly at their anatomy. In 2019, scientists published a landmark study. They compared the facial muscles of wild wolves with domestic dogs, and the physical difference they found was absolutely astonishing. Almost every domestic dog possessed a fully developed, strong muscle called the levator anguli oculi medialis, or LAOM. This muscle was virtually non-existent in wild wolves. It gets deeper. When a dog and their owner look into each other's eyes, both experience a massive spike in oxytocin, the love hormone. It's the exact same feedback loop that bonds a mother to her baby. However, as a veterinarian, I have to share a crucial warning. While this puppy dog eye expression is usually harmless, there are times when it can be a silent cry for help. If your dog's sad eyes are accompanied by redness, squinting, excessive tearing, or pawing at their face, it's not cute. It could be a sign of glaucoma, corneal ulcers, or dry eye. At the end of the day, yes, dogs have hacked our brains to make us think they are helpless babies, so we will feed them. But is it really a lie if the love is real? They unlocked a part of our hearts that no other animal could. Tell us your dog stories in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to join our scientific journey. Say goodbye, Haki.